I've got 5 really good reasons for you why group coaching could be the answer to your problems when it comes to learning and staying abreast and having as much information as you need when it comes to making really good decisions about what to do online when you're marketing today. Number one, the service that I offer will answer all of your questions. Whenever you've got questions, you can fling them into the community and either I will answer them or there will be people in the community that may pick up the answers to those questions for you and give you examples based on what they've done to solve their own problems. I think community discussion and engagement on really hot topics is an important thing that over time will develop within the community, and people will feel that they can share these things quite freely and quite openly and get feedback on what people think is the right way to approach problems and issues that people face around things like privacy, security, what topics are the right topics to talk about in certain places and what topics aren't relevant. I think the 24/7 access to the recordings is huge. You can watch them when you want, you can play them back when you want, and you can get the information that you need at the time that's relevant for you, and replay it when you want, and be able to sort of map out your processes in line with the instruction and guidance that I'm giving, which I think is a really valuable thing to be able to have. I think the depth of information that we're going to talk in and the number of people that I can bring into the conversation who are experts in particular areas, I think this is a hugely underestimated thing. Some people are doing fantastic work in certain areas, and if I can get them onto this platform that I've created and share them with you, you'll benefit from their experience too, which is a huge thing. And then finally, the pricing. I'm going to be putting a lot of effort into creating really rich content in this community, and the price that you're going to be paying is around about 300 Australian dollars a year. Now, I charge very different rates for one-to-one work with clients, but if you're patient and you're not in a hurry to actually get things done right now, and you're willing to learn over a period of time, this is a great cost-effective way to do it, and actually be able to get real access to expert knowledge, up-to-date information that has real relevancy to it that you can put into practice very, very quickly. That's the key to this whole thing. So have a look at the link that's in the post that's going to go with this video, and I hope you can join up and check it out and see what you think, and it'll be great to meet you in that community very soon.